Thanks for joining us. Today we're sharing a video with you on how to apply a ManFire Maxim wall banner to a room in your house. Let's get started. The process really begins with a concept. The first stop for a great Maxim or quote is the design phase, where our artist works hard to craft a design that complements the message. When you place your order on our website, you'll select a color for your banner. Be sure and pick a color that works well with the surrounding wall. The next stop is the plotter, where our machine cuts the text and images from the vinyl. In this example, we are plotting a two-color banner. In a minute, you'll see how to integrate the two vinyl pieces during the application phase. During the weeding phase, the excess vinyl is carefully removed. The only vinyl that remains will be the portion that is intended for the wall. For a two-color banner, a separate sheet is plotted and again is weeded in the same manner as the first sheet. Once the excess vinyl has been weeded, transfer paper is applied to the top of each sheet. A squeegee is used to ensure a smooth application. The next step is to trim and square the banner. This will make the piece easier to handle during application. Additionally, by cutting the piece closer to its final dimensions, you'll find it easier to visualize placement on the wall. Your order will include your banner and a squeegee, but you'll also need some masking tape, tape measure, and a level. Don't forget the scissors as well. Place the banner on the wall in the general location you want. By lightly anchoring the corners with strips of masking tape, you'll be able to approximate the location of the banner. Taking a ruler measurement will ensure the banner is centered with precision. Once the banner is anchored in its final location, you'll want to use the squeegee to push out any air pockets. It's important to make sure you start in the center of the banner and work outwards in all directions. Now you are ready to apply the vinyl to the wall. Pick either the left or the right side to begin with. Carefully pull the backing paper away from the vinyl. If some of the vinyl adheres to the paper, simply fold the paper back so the vinyl reattaches. Lightly place a strip of masking tape temporarily to the edge of the transfer paper. Now remove the loose backing paper by cutting up the center line. Remove the strip of masking tape and carefully squeegee the vinyl letters and images beginning at the center line and working your way outwards. We are only concerned about air bubbles within the vinyl lettering or images. Never pull the bubbles toward the center of the banner with the squeegee. The same process is now performed for the other half of the banner by carefully removing the backing paper. Again, continue to squeegee the air pockets until they have all been removed, by beginning at the center line and working outwards. Finally, the transfer paper can be removed by carefully pulling the paper from the vinyl. The best method for removal is to keep the transfer paper parallel to the wall as you pull. If any of the vinyl adheres to the transfer paper, simply roll the paper back to allow the vinyl to plant to the wall. In this example, we used a two-tone banner. Once the first color has been attached to the wall, the corners for the second paper are aligned. We have included temporary vinyl corner markers to help with alignment. As you can see, the process is replicated for the additional transfer paper. In the same manner, remove the transfer paper for the second color text and images. This is the final step, so take your time. Again, if any of the vinyl adheres to the transfer paper, simply roll the paper back to allow the vinyl to plant to the wall. If desired, remove the temporary vinyl corner markers with a scissors or a razor blade. In the end, you'll have a ManFire banner that will look great on your wall and will complement the room that you chose. Here's just a few other ManFire banners we've designed and are available for purchase. Explore at manfire.org.